So as you all know, we are here again, trying to curb a dengue situation, trying to bring the numbers down to zero if we can. And we are doing several different interventions and we're using different strategies here in this location of Tongue, specifically because most of the cases from Tongue are focused in this area.
Well, today we're coming up as a community. We're joining up with different ministries, the police department, BDF, MIDH, Humana, Hillside, fire department. We're all coming together as a community to try to curb the dengue cases. At this point it's dengue, but I think coming up as a community we can show that we can make a positive impact on the community.
This is a very good initiative by the Vector Control Department under the Ministry of Health. They reached out to the Town Council to collaborate for a cleaning, which is a very good effort, like I said. Two things. One, we're cleaning the tongue, which is very good for us, and then we're trying to keep the dengue cases under control. Right now, we have a high number of cases, dengue in tongue, especially in this area and the Indianville area. So this is more of a prevention, a proactive approach that we're doing. So that the Town Council side very good to join. Two main reasons being it's to help clean the tongue, and then it's to control the dengue cases that are currently in tongue. I believe we have a high amount in the Indianville area which needs to be controlled. So this is a proactive approach, something to kind of prevent the spreading of dengue. We're picking up all the containers to lessen the breeding area that these mosquitoes have that spread the dengue virus.
It's all about the people, our motto is to save lives, especially our EMR, but it's being introduced to the department, so it's all about that, the community people.
We are here this morning, the members of the Belize Police Department, because we care for the community. We partake with other members of the society to do a cleanup today, because we all know that this is our community, and we know that our families can be affected by this dengue, so the police department decided to partake in this cleanup this morning.
I'm here representing TIDE as we do the cleanup with the Ministry of Health, the BDF, the police and other stakeholders. We've seen it fit to come out and support, as TIDE partakes in a lot of cleanup campaigns, and we want the public to be as good as possible or as healthy as possible. We like to try to keep the garbage and the different areas clean so that we can live in a safe environment.
Basically what we are doing here as military, we are in support of the health ministry. They requested the support and we honor that. We honor that in the capacity that one of the statistics that is showing is that there is a particular area in the Indianville area that is causing dengue. And for the little kids and for the adults, the household that are there, they're not cleaning their yard. We see it fit that we come and support. We give them manpower and the muscle movement for all these. If you can see the trash, all the ice boxes, the refrigerators, the cans, anything that harbor this dengue mosquito that brings about is what we are really targeting. And it needs the military support in that, and thanks to all the other organizations as well that came on board. And we are glad to assist, because this is a plaguing disease that is going around.
We had a turnout of about 70 persons from various ministries. We had the police department, Belize Defense Force, TIDE, Humana, Ministry of Infrastructure, Development and Housing, Hillside, workers from the Punta Gorda Community Hospital, health workers. We even had the media houses come in, Love FM, PGTV coming in. So the turnout was about 70 persons that assisted in cleaning the Indianville area. At the end of the day, we picked up approximately 80 tons of garbage. This was with assistance also of the backhoe and a dump truck. So an extensive amount of garbage. What we found out was mostly tires, old stoves, old washers, old refrigerators that were accumulating water that came out for the cleaning. Well, firstly, thank everybody that came out and helped us make this cleanup possible. Thanking as well the community that brought up their garbage, took everything out to the street side so we can pick it up easily. And our recommendation is we need to continue these activities, and people need to understand that if they keep garbage within their household, it will collect water at some point and it can become a breeding site. Now, I think it's easier to get the garbage out than to become ill. Expenses come in, bills come, medication come. So I think just for the community to start being a little bit more conscious and taking these garbage out and disposing of in a timely manner.